Okay, so we update the strategy and hypothesis as data arrives. We pivot and adapt as needed. We always have to pivot and adapt, especially when we're working with complex cases. And we maintain that partnership through a two-way dialogue. We have to ask for feedback, and we have to be listening for words that tell us that the client is not just taking our words and doing them prescriptively. Well, that didn't work. Okay, so that didn't work. Doesn't tell me anything, right? It's like, okay, how did you feel about it? What was the situation about it? What was the challenges that you felt? What were the things that were going on? And then brainstorming. Well, what do you think we could do differently if you're not comfortable with that? Here's the goal that we want to achieve. What do you think we could do there? That's all collaborative co-creation that's necessary. And it's not that you don't have the answers, it's that the answers don't work for the person. So we come up with new answers that they agree to, right? Okay. So then number 8 is over communicate. Over communicate. Over communicate. Just overdo it. It's always the best thing. Create a dashboard. So now you're getting in all that information. You need to analyze it. And the great thing is that AI is super with doing analysis. You put the data in, you clean it, you make sure that there's no data that has the client's name on it, and you throw it up there and you ask for different analytics that I'm not going to put up here because it gets too complicated, but show the graphic to the clients and start looking at patterns. Now, one of the things that we do that's very specific to CNSS and is part of system science, organizational change, people change, human change, is that we do self-assessments.